What's good, everybody? Monday morning, day number 7 of Vlogmas. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We'll get straight to it. Got my little man right here drinking that agua. He's over here watching COCOMELON. I do not know what the obsession with COCOMELON is with these kids, but other than that, it is 12:26. My son goes to school at 12. My other son dropped off my daughter this morning at about 7-ish. Well, no, 7:30, 7:40, something like that. But anyways, she's at school. He goes to school. I have a business call at 12 o'clock or 12:15 that I have to do at a tire shop. I have cut this specific client before, and I'll leave a link up in the top of that vlog specifically. And then I have 4 more appointments this evening between 4 and 7 p.m. So, you know, kind of a busy day, got a little bit of stuff going on. But right now I am cooking up some lunch before my son goes to school and for my wife and my little baby. But I'll let you see what that looks like, and then we'll get on with the rest of the day. So we got some rice made, and then I also am gonna be baking up some pork, and I got it marinated with some COCOMELON soy sauce. And then also I always like to put a little bit of this on there, and it gives it just a little bit of a nice taste. I don't know, try it out. But Coke does the trick, man. Or Dr. Pepper. Those have both been good meat marinades for me personally. But I'll let you see what the final outcome is looking like. My mom taught me and my brother how to clean up after ourselves, and now my wife is teaching my son how to clean up. My mom was brutal though. She used to want to see lines in the carpet from the vacuum, and white glove check all the dust spots. But it paid off because we're still clean to this day. So teach him young. And if y'all haven't met him, but here he is. Hey, say hi to the camera. Say what's up, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
But here's the meat, finally cooked. Looking delicious. And we got some cut up for my son for his lunch. When I was growing up, we always had leftovers and stuff we took home for lunch, and rice and sticky rice, and all of our friends would be so lit over our food. So my son's doing the same thing. No sandwiches over here, always rice for the boy. I'm gonna take a little taste test of my son's food. That's good. That's real good. I'm telling you, Coke and soy sauce. You're going to school right now.
No, after.
After we're coming home. We ain't doing nothing.
At home?
Yeah, at home. We're doing nothing.
Why?
Because I said so.
No, one of these something.
We'll see. We'll see what happens. I like how your bag matches your mask, bro. You see your mask? You see your mask? Ooh, let's go. Just got to the shop to get my stuff so we can go on and get this haircut done. All packed up. Let's go drop off my son and get to this house call. just got here to the tire shop, and we gonna go ahead and get in here and get this haircut done, this beard trim, and then after that I gotta go and head back to the shop, and I got a 2 o'clock after this, so let's get to it. Shout out to my boy Sergio in here on a Monday, and I'm glad he is because I forgot my keys here earlier when I got my stuff. So he came in clutch. Go check out his latest music on Spotify, iTunes. He goes by the alias Bo Bundy. Fire. Were y'all just talking about COCOMELON?
Yeah.
Bro, tell me why this morning I was literally talking about that this morning. Like my son, that's all he watches is COCOMELON. I don't understand it, bro.
That's all that's again. Like, does your son watch that weird ass Barber show with like the little slugs and shit?
I haven't heard of that one.
Bro, I'm telling you, mine does. And I was telling him, like, I'll just sit there and watch it sometimes. I'm like, what the hell? Bro, it feels like I took drugs. Like, that show was cracked out, dude.
My son used to watch this one dude named Blippi.
Blippi?
Yeah, he like plays at like different playhouses and stuff, goes to museums and different like just activity centers and stuff. It's weird, bro. This dude blew up though on YouTube, and then he has like toys and stuff now on the shelves and all that. I'm glad that my kids don't watch Ryan no more. I got sick of that.
Yeah, one of mine, he watched that forever. Now they watch that FGTV thing. I don't know. You know what that is?
Nah, I never heard of that one either.
Yeah, they both sit there and watch that, like FGTV or anything Fortnite, God forbid.
Oh yeah, my daughter's on Fortnite.
My daughter watches a bunch of like roadblock stuff.
I haven't seen that one.
And I'm like, Mom, turn that shit off. I was like, this is a grown man playing games. I was like,
Next client of the day, Mr. Isaac Ochoa,
The man is here.
the blessed man.
The one and only.
You're gonna be on the vlog, bro. Oh,
You guys signed contract, bro.
bro, you're blessed to the floor, bro.
We gotta put it on paper, bro. I gotta talk to my manager.
Oh, come on, bro. Don't do him like that.
I'm doing all right.
Hey, let's see what blessed gear you got on.
What's up, man?
So-
Let me see it.
You got the blessed face mask, the blessed hat, the blessed crew neck, blessed lanyard, and we got the Yeezys.
Yeah.
There we go. And you see myself
Hey.
rocking the blue. But go check out my boys' apparel online. What's the website?
It's blessedapparel100.com.
Blessedapparel100.com.
Instagram, Facebook.
I'll put everything down in the description, throw it on the screen so you can see the IG and all that. Go check it out. Dope stuff. Here's the final product. But y'all go show love to my boy. Go check out Blessed Apparel already. What's good, everybody? So you've seen the cut, super blurry, but just go check out my boy's apparel. You've seen the links. I'll leave some links down in the description as well. You can check out. But other than that, I'm just watching some YouTube. I'm watching Josh X Barber right now until my next client comes in. It's gonna be a father and a son, and then a father and a son after that. So I'll let you take a peek at those cuts. Might do a tutorial on one of them. We'll find out. We'll see, but just stay tuned. I'm about to get to these cuts now. Well, that's it for the day, folks. Hope you enjoyed the vlog today. Nothing too crazy, just another day off. You know, I did end up doing, I think, altogether 6 cuts today. So you saw all the cuts. Well, the last 2 I couldn't get on camera because I totally forgot to press the record button. But you did see the kids cut before that, and the buzz cut I did as well. So one of those cuts is going to be a tutorial, so stay on the lookout for that. I will put that out sometime, maybe this week or end of the week, possibly next week. So I'm going to be continue working on that, and we're just going to continue on with this Vlogmas series. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Stay tuned. Day 7 in the books. We're gonna move ourselves on to day 8. Appreciate everybody for tuning in and staying tuned and just engaging with these vlogs. It's pretty dope to just be able to document and show y'all daily life in the shop and just let you guys in behind the scenes on my life. So shout out to everybody, like I said, who is subscribed to the channel. And until next time, God bless.